running a three-way swivel with a live eel, targeting striper, but we ended up hooking into some blues.
No, don't go past the railing. Don't let the right up.
Ooh, that's nice.
Bluefish.
Oh, bluefish.
That's that big teeth.
Ah, oh, no, big teeth biting me.
Let the rod, roll him down.
Either half of them off.
Careful.
Keep the rod up.
He comes off.
Up. You gotta keep it up, okay, bud? Just keep reeling and keep it up. Don't worry about just cranking on the reel, all right? Just make sure you keep tension on it, all right? You got it. Keep it up. Make sure that rod points up. If he runs, let him run, okay?
Yeah.
And don't reel him out of the water. Okay, keep the rod tip up and walk to the back of the boat. Keep that rod tip up. Keep it up. You got it. Okay, come over here. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep the rod up. You got it. Watch this other rod. There you go. There you go.
Trying to get to the eel. Ooh, what is that?
It's another blue. Okay, don't keep that rod up.
Okay, Mr. Tiny.
Oh! Heads up.
He just let go. Oh! Oh!
What happened? You spit the hook?
He spit the hook.
Yeah, and you about hit me in the face with it.
He was right up to the surface.
Yeah? How big do you think he was?
Here. About this big?
No, long ways. He wasn't that round, was he? No, you're talking about this from head to toe?
Yeah.
Or head to tail?
Yeah.
Yeah, another bluefish.
Yeah.
Keep the rod up.
He's on.
No, he's not. Just don't yank it out of the water.
I think it's had a duck.
This is Ice Stone Cold Steve Austin, and we're on a mission to get America to switch to cold water washing.
What you got?
I can't see yet.
Careful in case that hook comes out. Oh, heads up.
Bunker!
Man, you are the king of the self-release at the boat. That's how you keep your hands clean. You don't gotta touch the fish.
So, wait, it actually did work. It actually did happen when I said it was going to happen.
Yeah, you can snag bunker.
Hit the like button and hit subscribe. Make sure you check out the next video. Thank you for watching.